If you're looking for one welder that can do it all, weld steel, stainless, and aluminum, then you need to check out the MIG 180. Whether you are a professional looking for an all-around great unit or a hobbyist that wants to upgrade your setup, this machine is what you need. The MIG 180 has an operating range of 30 to 180 amps, which means it can weld from thin metal all the way up to 5/16 steel and stainless. And if you're looking to do a lot of aluminum welding, then you want to consider also grabbing the spool gun for this welder. You can purchase this unit with or without the spool gun, but when you purchase the spool gun at the same time as the welder, you get a huge discount on the spool gun, money that you can put back into your project. So whether you want to install a patch panel or repair a cracked frame, this machine will be able to tackle the job. There are so many great features of this machine. This unit can run off of 120 or 240 volts with the supplied adapter cord, making it an incredibly versatile machine. So if you're in a friend's house doing some work and they only have 120 volts, you can still use this welder. You will be limited in thickness on 120 volts, but it'll still be able to weld up to 3/16 of an inch. This unit has a 30% duty cycle at the full 180 amps, which is more than enough for any project you're going to be tackling on a vehicle. If you need help setting up the machine, you can use the chart that is on the inside of the door. Simply match the wire size, gas type, and material thickness to get the recommended settings. And because this machine has infinitely variable wire speed and voltage, you can really dial in the settings to create that perfect weld. This machine has almost everything you need to start welding: a long torch lead, a heavy-duty ground clamp, a long power cord, a regulator, and it even includes a spool of wire. Just attach your gas bottle and start welding. It also features the latest IGBT inverter technology, so not only can you run this on a generator, but it's also very lightweight, coming in at about 26 pounds. We also included an all-metal construction drive motor. This ensures you get the smoothest wire feed possible for those consistent welds. That drive motor can accept 023 to 035 wire in 4 or 8-inch spools. If you run out of gas or don't have access to welding gas, then you can use flux core wire. This really allows you to weld anywhere that you have access to electric. Like I said before, this machine is packed with a lot of helpful features, one of them being 2T and 4T settings. 2T is your standard trigger operation. Pull the trigger to start an arc and then let off when you want to terminate it. 2 touches. 4T is a more advanced option that really helps with those long weld beats. Simply pull the trigger to start the arc. Release the trigger and continue welding. When you want to terminate the arc, squeeze the trigger again and then release. 4 touches. Again, that's really beneficial for those longer welds where your hand may get hot or those hard to reach areas where you want to maneuver the torch without your finger still being on the trigger. The MIG 180 also has a tack weld feature. When you use this function, you will get perfect and consistent tack welds, great for working on sheet metal. Again, this unit is perfect if you're getting ready to tackle a restoration or just need a welder upgrade. And as always, Eastwood gives you a 3-year warranty on this machine, so you know we have confidence in this welder. And if anything does happen, we're here to get you back up and welding in no time. For more information on this welder or any other welder we offer, visit eastwood.com.
Hey, we hope you liked that video. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. There's also a link you can find out more information on the products we covered today. And if you're craving more Eastwood, head on over to Facebook and Instagram and be sure to give us a follow.